Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Itel S25. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. And now click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see now I am connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.